So I haven't been here in quite a bit. Yeah, I used to live here. Maybe it was this one. It's further down here. Fairly certain this is a place I used to live. Thinking. Okay, I know which one it is. Bear with me. Yeah, so it was past here. This is it, I think. It's not it. Oh, we're back in the sun. It's hot. Yeah, last days of Ramadan are the hottest. Now we're gonna go down Solomon Gohar. This is like the fruit stand area, street shops. It's one of my favorite parts of town.
Out of my dreams, get into my car.
This is like the local produce. Everyone's real friendly here. You can just like talk to everyone and make friends. Wow. Hello. Here's your fish. And actually, the fish doesn't look too bad. I normally don't buy fish from Cairo though, because I don't know how fresh it is. Alexandria is good. Here, I am not too comfortable. Cucumber man, watermelon man. There's your pickle man. He's not there right now. He's just starting to come alive a little bit now because the fast will end in maybe 2 to 3 hours. So people are buying stuff for what they will eat later. It's a bakery. Nothing that special. It's Ramadan sweets. Cake. This is the dessert for Ramadan. They're making the bread here. Can I film? No? Okay. He didn't want me to film. He was making bread. So I always ask because some people don't like it and some people don't care. Can I film? So this guy, he's making the Kunefe dough. Yeah, and this is one of my favorite guys. This is the Kunefe man. And during Ramadan, this is his time to shine. It's like Santa and Christmas. Right? Kunefe dough, right?
دي كنافة.
And if you don't know, this is Kunefe. And it's amazing. I love it. It's probably my favorite dessert during Ramadan. عواد روبرت شرفنا شكرا جيد جدا. Thank you. What is your name?
My name is Ali.
Ali, Robert.
مرحبا.
تشرفنا.
Welcome to Egypt.
اسمك Mohammed. Robert, nice to meet you. أنا أسكن هنا many years ago. I go to AUC. I used to live in Doi.
University.
Yeah, and then معلم British school in Maadi. What is this?
This is coconut milk.
Okay.
Milk and the flour and the coconut sauce.
For Ramadan. Yeah. And I'd buy stuff from some of these people now, but I can't really eat it, and I'd just be carrying around stuff I can't eat. It would just be rude to eat it. I mean, they'd be happy I bought stuff from them, but just be carrying bags of random stuff. So now I'm gonna show you the proper way to cross the street in Egypt. All you do is like, you don't wait. When you see your spot, you just go, and nobody will hit you. Even if you think they're about to hit you, they usually don't. You just have to be committed. If you are uncommitted to your walk, they'll get confused too, and this is the likely chance that you're gonna get hit. So when you walk across the street, just commit. We just passed the Faisal Islamic Bank. We always used to laugh at the emblem or the symbol for this bank because we swear it looks like a huge You tell me if that doesn't look like a or not. I swear to God that's a that definitely looks like a huge to me. Let me know what you think. Write it down in the description. Is it a is it not a If you think it's a give me a like. So I get to my old neighborhood and I can't find where I used to live. Have you? It's been almost 10 years, but it was just a little harder to find than I thought it would be. My apartment was... Not sure. Maybe it was this one. Okay, I know which one it is. Bear with me. It was this one. It actually turned out to be the place that I first thought it was, which shows you should always go with your gut. This is it, I think. I'm pretty sure. Alright, I'm fairly certain this is a place I used to live. But then I found my apartment, and then it reminded me that it's the place I almost died. The story basically, it was finals, I forgot my paper, or I forgot some important project, and I was locked out. I look out the front window and I go, hey, maybe I can get through going by the balcony, but you have to like walk across this ledge. And so I end up out there like you see those people in the movies, just back against the wall.
Wish you would step back from that ledge, my friend.
Needless to say, this was not one of my brighter ideas. As soon as I got out there, the cement and concrete or whatever the ledge is made of just started breaking. And I kind of had to hold on to the gutter. If it wasn't for the rebar in the concrete, I would have died. And just coincidentally, I had just broken up with my girlfriend at this time. And I'm thinking to myself, oh, people are going to think that I was so distraught and depressed over this girl that I just jumped.
Depression? Isn't that just a fancy word for feeling bummed out?
Dwight, you ignorant slut!
But that's not what happened. And luckily I was able to hang on, and I actually did make it to the balcony. I made it inside, I got my bag, and I made it to finals, and I didn't die. But I almost died. And that's something, right?
Yo! Don't leave us hanging on that ledge, man. Subscribe, like, comment. I promise I'll even come bring you some Kunefe if you're lucky and you live somewhere relatively close to me.